Hey guys, like I said, I'm out here at the Bristol racetrack, guys. We're doing some drags, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell everybody, I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm coming live and direct from Bristol racetrack, guys. We're watching some drags up here. They had a championship all week. Unfortunately, I caught the last day, and hey, it's been a blast, guys, so far, a blast. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video and all the other content that I've been putting out. So I'm gonna get back with you guys probably within a second, and hey, enjoy the rest of this video, guys. Try to talk, but you guys aren't gonna be able to hear me.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It has been.
I'm on the trenches.
Remember, advise, don't pick anybody to pick up a microphone this weekend. It's not a weekend for us. You keep going walking.
I wonder about the race, man. This thing is loud, boy. All these cars still got a race, guys. All these cars here. lot to go.
Party up front.
All right, so that's the $10,000 champion right there. Anderson Atkins, $10,000 champion. That's awesome, man. That's pretty awesome. Wow.
He did that. But I know he drove to the hotel last night.
Wow.
He did drive it from my home.
Anderson Atkins, that's a great story there, man. They say
This morning at the hotel, they still
I'm glad I'm here. You told me that somewhere in the middle of the program yesterday. I guess you're still glad you're here. You showed up and showed them you know what's up, even though you don't come to these very often. Well, you can only have a great race with great racers, Kevin. You come out and put yourself on the map on the big stage with that runner-up finish. Got to be feeling real good headed into this 10 grander today.
Yeah, I'm ready to beat some tail, man.
That's what we like to hear, talking that trash. Truck was nasty with these Hoosiers on it. You was out there doing your thing, driving really well. Come up one round short. Try to go out there today and get that final round.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get it done.
Kevin Blevins, everybody. Great job, man.
Thank you, sir.
You're runner-up in Saturday's 10K.
hey guys, I'm just letting you guys know I'm here in direct at the Bristol Motor Speedway. We just got through watching a lot of nice drag racing, guys. And hey, today has been an awesome day. I even may come back late on this evening. It's gonna be all night long. So I just want to take a good, nice little shot here, guys, of the track that we just came from, and there we go. There go Midnight. This is the track here, guys. Beautiful track. Appreciate you guys joining Classic Chevy. CJ, the cigar man today, guys. Showing me the love. And trust me, it's gonna be a lot more, guys. We're just getting started with this here, with this YouTube thing. So, so far, I'm having a blast, and I hope you guys, all my subscribers, are having a blast of all this local content I'm bringing you guys here in Bristol, Virginia, and Tennessee. So we're gonna be bringing a lot more, guys, a lot more. And it's here. Hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Hey, we got so much more content coming, guys. And so today has been a blast. And hey, I may even come back later tonight, get more footage, watch some more drag racing. I tell you what, these guys are, they pushing the limit, man. And there's females racing as well. That's what I'm telling you guys. This is just not only, you know, a guy sport, it's a girl sport as well. And hopefully I get some females watching the channels, guys. But hey, if you love vehicles and you love fast cars, that's what I'm talking about when I say smoking when you got them. It was a lot of smoking today, guys, and I mean tires, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I just appreciate you guys hanging out with the Cigar Man today, and we're gonna have much more content. So you guys stay on this channel because you do not want to miss it. You need to make sure you hit that notification bell because the Cigar Man is doing big things in 2020. So like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.